first step, you're going to have to loosen the terminals on the Everlinks completely, all 3 legs. And remove the Everlink terminal blocks. Slide them up and pull them off. Once these are removed, the bus bars will slide out. Once these are removed, the mechanical interlock, there is a little spring-loaded piece on the top that you, on the top and the bottom, that you have to undo.
I'll show the spring-loaded section.
That's this. And this will allow you to take the mechanical interlock loose. Okay, you got to make sure this little tab goes into this slot here. And then this spring-loaded clip clips it into the side of the device. You're going to go in there on this other one. Let's see. Okay. Once you do that, you have to install the bus bars. They just fit down this little slot here. These are actually really slick the way these things go together. Then you slide the Everlink terminals on.